Well, I'm back with you again here on Bromark Farms. It's thunderstorming outside, so I thought I'd come back in here again. And I've been working on trying to get that wall down next to the bathroom right here to get to the shower stall. So I'm at the shower stall right now, so come and join me here. If you want to, you can go ahead and subscribe. Be a good time to do that right now. And make a comment or anything if you have restored one of these or torn one of these apart. This is about a 66 or 60, that's about 67 or 68 Holiday Rambler travel trailer bumper pull. And if you've done one of these before, if you have any suggestions in this bathroom area right here, if you're a plumber or anything, you can try to help me out here, okay? So come join me, and I'll finish taking these clutch head screws out that they put in here back in the 60s, which is very hard to get out. So thank you very much for stopping in at Bromark Farms, and we'll get right back here to the restoration. I can only work about maybe 10 minutes at a time on the video here, so it's straight up. It's not edited. That's my next spot, is learn how to edit. So thank you so much for stopping in, and join in with me. It's such a mess. I've got to clean it up after I get it out. But as you can see, I got the vanity out. I got this wall down. Now I'm at the shower right here. So, shower looks in pretty good shape. It's got some kind of plastic trim around it. It's been broken. Where when they put it together here, they smashed it and broke it. See, it's just broken a couple pieces. So I'm hoping that I can try to replace this. Maybe they've made this in a newer fabrication or something, but all the wood around it is that pressed wood. You know, it's not real wood, so I don't know how they figured it wouldn't stop from getting swelled up or something when it got wet in the shower area, but they make that composite looking, wood looking stuff now that I'm thinking about taking this stuff right here and replacing that with that, because now we can add some modern stuff to it. But that's the only way I'm going to restore it, is not cosmetically now. I'm going to restore it back to its original shape and the floor plan and everything. It's just, I'm taking everything apart and re-cleaning it, and it makes more sense to me. Even if you put marine plywood in here, how long will that last? But they make that cosmetic stuff, you know, that they composite stuff that they make deck porches out of and stuff like that. I might put that in here. I got a friend that's a cabinet maker, and he might be able to know how to work with that stuff. But let me show you where this went right here. This went right here. This went right here. And really the only thing that held that in was this gimp that goes through there. Everything's so squeezed in between the ceiling and the floor that it's tight, and whatever comes next gets bolted in down the line. That's what I figured. So we're going to keep this material here and keep it lined so I can come back and mark it. But this is what I want to figure out right here. I know this is the vent, but this is that old, see what it looks like right here? See if I can't get a better, I might get some better lighting on it here. See what happens here. I know that they went with the lightest material and putting stuff together, but golly. what that now it looks like there is well, I don't know how this has got some wood in it right here. There's wood, there's trim around this, and then there's an inside trim here. I think it comes in two pieces. But we got a piece of wood right here. Now this is real wood right here, but it's made to be strong because there's no way you can curve that except to have two pieces of wood right here, and then they just got that veneer or whatever that's on there curved. Right, they heated it from what my friend said. So that's these clutch head screws, man. First of all, I had to whittle one down to find it the right size. And then, again, to get the screw to come out, you got to put so much pressure on it. And if you put a drill on it, it skips out of it. So you've got to hand pull these out. This is the area that I got to be real careful with. I can't puncture it, can't break it, because this I'll never be able to replace. But this is the part that I think the appliances in the bathroom is the most important part. And these, I think, and these whole things, the bathroom is the most important. This is a roomy shower. I can get in this shower right here. See here? There's not a puncture hole or nothing in this. Look. Nothing. See how roomy this is in here? This is roomy enough to shower in here. See? You see, there's nothing attaching this. So I think it comes two parts. But this is roomy enough to shower in. I might be able to put me a light up above here too. But it comes in two pieces. And that molding right there, that's going to be difficult. But we'll see what happens. Clutch head screws. Never seen them until I seen this right here. But you've got to put some pressure in order to hold that bit in there. Well, my sister says that she don't watch the videos longer than 5 minutes, so since I don't know how to edit and I can't what do you call this, a time lapse, then this is going to take me more than 5 minutes. So I just wanted to show you where we're at today. We're already into 8 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bid you farewell today. This would be probably the 16th of May. And it's thunderstorming outside. See? Let you look at my garden out there if you can see my garden. Okay, but I'm going to let you go today. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's supposed to thunderstorm tomorrow too. So we'll join you right here at the bathroom. Get you close up here before I run into my 10 minutes. If any of you plumbers have any idea how to get this out of here, you see I've got a metal trim right here that goes around. But right here, see right here? But it's divided right here. It fits down in. One fits in and then the other fits up. But it's got to be two parts. It has to lay down, I think. But anyway, nevertheless. Okay. That's where we are today. So thanks for stopping in at Bromark Farms once again, and I love you. Be sensitive to the Spirit. Read your Bible every day. And if you've not come to Jesus yet, come to Him. Be saved today. Thank you so much.